I definitely, and I will say that sounds that I can't identify immediately will definitely freak me out. That and the sound of children that I can't see. There is nothing more terrifying than hearing a child laugh and knowing there are no children in the
That it,
building.
yeah.
That is
I feel like I
scary.
got so much, like, you know those, like, prayer boxes? Like, I just got so used to hearing shit all the time that I just
Mhm.
became, like, any kind of sound where it's, like, voices, I'm like, "Oh, it's just so," and I also, like, worked at a Jewish mortuary where we always had a shomer who was constantly praying, so I'm like, it's, like, 2 a.m. and I'm hearing shit, like, it's just this is just what comes with it, like, I don't know, whether it's a scampering demon or fucking whatever.